What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Al here, and in today's video I'm going to be answering the question, what is the best car dealership in East London? When searching for a reliable used dealership in East London, it's essential to consider factors such as customer reviews, vehicle quality and after sales service. Among the numerous dealerships in the area, Car Nights stands out as a premier choice for prospective buyers. Car Nights, located at the former Beckton Gasworks on Armada Way in East Ham, has an established reputation for excellence in the used car market. They offer a diverse selection of vehicles, ensuring that customers can find a car that suits their preferences and budget. Their commitment to quality is evident in their meticulous vehicle inspections and transparent sales process. Additionally, Car Nights provides services such as home delivery, live video viewing, and click and collect options, enhancing the overall customer experience. While Car Nights is a top contender, several other reputable used car dealerships in East London are also worth considering. For example, you've got Key Cars with a 4.8 star rating from 120 reviews. Key Cars is praised for offering vehicles in excellent condition at competitive prices. Located approximately 4.5 miles from central London, they are known for their customer-centric approach. Glyn Hopkin MG, East London. This dealership boasts a 4.4 star rating from 608 reviews. Customers commend the high quality of their cars and the enjoyable driving experience they provide. Best Motor is recognized for providing cars that run perfectly at great prices. Maslin Motors. With a 4.3 star rating from 39 reviews, Maslin Motors is appreciated for their clean cars and supportive after-sales service. JC Automotive. This dealership has achieved a 4.9 star rating from 50 reviews. Customers highly recommend them for providing very good cars at economical prices. HSK Automotive. With 5-star ratings from dozens of reviews, HSK Automotive is noted for their helpful staff and quality vehicles. Located 4 miles away from central London, they offer a variety of used cars to choose from. Car Gem. This dealership holds a 4.6 star rating from 880 reviews. Customers had a great experience, noting that cars are in mint condition and thoroughly cleaned. Each of these dealerships has its unique strengths, but Car Nights distinguishes itself through its comprehensive services, customer satisfaction and quality assurance. When choosing a used car dealership in East London, it's advisable to visit multiple dealerships, assess their offerings and select the one that best aligns with your needs and expectations. Frequently asked questions. What should I look for when buying a used car? When purchasing a used car, ensure you check the vehicle's history, mileage, service records, and overall condition. Consider buying from a reputable dealer like Car Nights, which guarantees well-inspected vehicles and transparent sales processes. Do used car dealerships offer financing options? Are all cars inspected before sale at Car Nights? Absolutely. Car Nights ensures that all vehicles undergo thorough inspections, including checks for mechanical soundness and history report. This helps customers feel confident in the quality of their purchase. What documents do I need to purchase a used car? Generally, you'll need a valid ID, proof of address and financial information if you plan to finance the vehicle. The dealership may have additional requirements, so it's best to inquire beforehand. Is it possible to buy cars online? Yes, most dealerships will allow you to buy the cars online or at least hold the car as a deposit. Car Nights offers online purchasing options, including virtual viewings, home delivery and click and collect, making the car buying process convenient from start to finish, just as it should be. If you guys would like to buy a car from Car Nights, then visit carnights.co.uk, that's carknights.co.uk, and then you can view our vehicles from the main navigation. Guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.